All right, I'm going to show you how these bad boys work. So anyway, this is your mode and your levels. Down here, you've got talk, hear, and music. So you can set it for music and you can set it for dialogue. And then you can adjust it in here to try to get, the best, from A to G that works for you. So you got to check that out. Down here is the balance from the left to the right, or the right to the left. So, you can, if it's too loud here, you can, change it. So that's how basically those controls work. You charge it up here. You can see the charging port right there. So when I pull it off and you look under here, you're going to see that's how it charges. Now to turn it on, you're going to come back to this side and you're going to see right down here is a universal power button. To turn on the headphones, you have to press and hold that button down until the light turns green. Yeah, you see right here, that thing right there. The broadcasting thing, tower. All right, so you can see that it's green, green, green. Right now we've got it on dialogue and listening, but you could change that. If I just press this and I hold it for 2 seconds, it changes. It's blinking. Goes off. Hold it again. Got to do 2 seconds. And it's back here. So anyway, this shows you that it's on down here. Now if you want to turn it up, you press the plus button here. If you want to turn it down, you press the minus button. If you want to change the mode, press this and hold it. You see? Press and hold. Bam, comes back on. All right, so that's how that works there. Now, if I turn this around, you're going to see this is the power right here. And we've got it plugged in. It's just like your basic power source. Down here is analog. If you were hooking up to an analog system, you'd put it up here. Up here, this is an optical wire. And this is hooked up to the TV here. If you look right here, you'll see. Let me get a closer view. And just check out the way that it's beveled on one side and flat on the other. And you just push it in there, and that's how you get it. Let me just bring her back down here. Now, when you do use this, you've got to choose between analog and optical. And there's a little switch right here. Right now, I've got it on optical. But if I was going to do analog, I would do that. But I want to keep it on optical because that's the one I've got right there. And when you use this, you can also listen to the speakers on the TV, which is cool. And so we just kind of shift it over like that. And bam, it's ready to go. It does come with a couple different adapters in case you're in another country. This one's for the UK that you would slide on to the plug. This one here is for Australia. And this one here is for Europe. So this is European plug, Australian plug, and the United Kingdom plug. I don't know why they have those, but that's the way it works. And that's basically it. And then when you're done and you just want to get them charged up, you just slide it on there like that and pop her down. It's a little tight. I might have to, oh, there you go. See how it came on? So now it's telling me that it's charging. And so we just go ahead and put her on there like that. And that's basically how you use it.
Crazy critters. We'd snorkel out and swim about. We'd shoot snapper for our dinner.
I mean, they work
But
great.
in that big old inlet
They're loud.
lived a giant. His name was McGee. He was a 6-foot barracuda, about as ornery as can be. You see, his teeth were long and shiny. His eyes were black as coal. And through his lip,
It's working great. Really good. Let's pause this. All right, so this is working really good. I mean, it's amazing. These are excellent. I would highly recommend getting them because they work fantastic. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like these right here. Peace out.